Hey guys, welcome back to day number 66 of trading futures every day until I become profitable. So I feel a bit better now, but I was so pissed off earlier because today I definitely realized that I'm extremely emotional, especially when there's a lot of money at risk, even if it's on an eval. Also, the trade that I took was like a roller coaster of emotions for me, only to find out after I had taken partials and the rest had sadly went to break even that I took it on my paper account, and I'll show you guys that because I think I have the executions here, and if not, just take my word for it. But I only realized after I noticed my balance didn't change, and I did not trade for 6 hours because it feels so unproductive to just sit at the charts and stare and stare and stare. And the market was not even very good today. It was like at almost all-time highs, and the election made things just fly really high, so it's a bit sketchy to trade, but especially because I took a short. And yeah, I'll show you guys the trade, then I got some more stuff to talk about. So this was actually the trade right here. It entered me in pretty low, bad entry. I got in right here, went back into drawdown a bit. I didn't even journal this because I didn't actually take this on my real account, but we swept previous weekly high, previous daily high, 4-hour high, Asia high, London high. I think we were rejecting off a 4-hour fair value gap way over on the left or something, and we inversed this 5-minute, and I was going break even. I went break even here at this next 5-minute fair value gap, and around 1-to-1 down here I took half off, so I did make some profits, but again, it's just a paper account because I'm an idiot. And so yeah, that was that trade. This was pre-market forward test. I was still asleep, but valid trade. Swept the 4-hour low, delivering from a 4-hour fair value gap, 5-minute inverse fair value gap, and targeting these points as draws on liquidity, as well as some LRL right here. And finally, here's my brother's statistics so far. He's back tested almost 300 days worth of data with this strategy, which is insane. 342 trades, 56 break evens. But yeah, that's his stats. Like I've been saying, if we can do almost as good as this, then we'll be doing great. But the market just seems to give us only horrible results, so still trying to figure out if it's psychology or what. But I will not be switching strategies ever. Like some people in my Discord were placing bets on if I was going to switch strategies or not, but you can bet against it. I'm literally never switching strategies. I can promise you this is the last strategy I ever trade, and this is the one that's going to get me funded. But anyways, I have a few more things to talk about if you want to stay and listen. So basically, I changed my plan, guys. Changed my plan. As of right now, I don't think I might, but I don't think I'm going to be trading for the rest of the week. I think I'm going to dedicate more time to back testing just this one simple, straightforward strategy and learning, because psychologically I'm just not ready to trade my live account. I don't think. I'm not even sure how I'm supposed to feel, but more importantly, I want to save my account, keep it alive for next week, because I'm going to do 1 week free trial of Dodge's Discord. And yeah, I'm probably going to low-key signal bot, risking 1/3 of my remaining account balance per trade so that I can even either pass it or fail it soon, because I really want to move over to Top Step because it's just so much better in a lot of ways than trading on TradingView, and even the payout process and stuff, I like it a lot more. Not that I have to worry about that anytime soon by the looks of it, but yeah. And if I want to use it for 2 weeks, the free trial, then I can just use my brother's account for that second week. But anyways, this has got to be so boring for you guys to watch. I'm all over the place. I don't seem to know what I'm doing, but I promise no matter how long it takes, I'm going to make this a reality for me because I see other people doing it in Discords and IRL. So yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video. I'm going to try to get this out as soon as possible, head to the gym and get some good sleep tonight so I can lock in with whatever I'm doing tomorrow to get myself closer to this. Any tips that you think would help me in the comments would be greatly appreciated. And yeah, have a good night, guys. Oh yeah, also the thumbnail says I made money today because I took a trade with 1 micro on my funded challenge and made $5 so that I could make it green because I won that trade. Anyways, thanks guys.